Tired of wasting time clicking through endless Salesforce menus to create quick actions? Learn to build one in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through 11 simple steps from accessing setup to saving your action. Let's start with the gear icon. Start by clicking the Quick Settings icon in the upper right corner. Then, from the menu, select Open Advanced Setup to access the full setup menu. Now click on Object Manager to see all your objects. Click on the Label column to sort alphabetically, then find and select the Account object. Once inside Account, click on Buttons, Links, and Actions. Click the New Action button to start creating a custom action. Choose the action type from the dropdown. For this example, we'll select Create a Record. For the Visual Force page, leave it set to None since we don't need one. Type a name for your action, like Practice, so you can easily identify it later. Click Save to create the action. That's it! You can now see the new action on the Account object. Thanks for watching. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.